Well, here I am back at it. This is a 2002 Golf turbo diesel. Right now I'm in the process of replacing the front suspension. The shocks are a bit toasted. As you can see, they're completely compressed and not coming out. Usually when those are good, they pop right up. So front suspension is pretty much taken apart, and so is the rear. As you can see, this thing only has 89,000 miles on it, so, or 90 now, I guess. So it's not too bad. It's not in too bad of a shape. But these shocks are definitely, I've seen better days. That should pop right out, and it's taking its sweet time, as you can see. But this is what we're doing so far. Also, I'm planning on replacing the clutch, because upgrades that I did with turbo diesel, like bigger injectors, I put 520 nozzles, a little bit bigger nozzles. I adjusted some of the inner workings of the computer. I advanced the timing quite a bit, and now it likes to slip the clutch in 4th and 5th gear when I'm on the beans. When I give it the beans, it slips. So we're going to try to fix that. We're going to put a VR6 clutch, so a clutch that came out of the V6 Volkswagen, and we're going to hope that it holds. Supposedly it's supposed to take 300 foot-pound of torque, and we'll see if it does. Because that slipping in 4th and 5th, it's not my bag of tea or cup of tea, whatever. So here we go. This is the 1.9 liter turbo diesel. So those are the injectors right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is basically a little tracker engine. It's very easy to work on, and it gets great gas mileage. Can't complain. Very minimal maintenance. Timing belt every 100,000 miles with the upgraded 100,000 mile timing belt. Change oil for every 5,000 miles with 5W40 synthetic, and it's good to go. As you can see, that EGR has been bypassed already. I've already done my little magic works here. I replaced all the hoses, all the vacuum hoses for the turbo. I adjusted the turbo also, so we'll spool a little bit faster and a little bit lower RPM. There's my little fix there, a little smashola on the tube there, so we don't get any EGR stupidity going on, which ruins my gas mileage and power. But here it is. I'll have to update you guys on how it's going. And as you can see, there's a little socket there, because, you know, Volkswagen has some dumb bolts on there, like this triangle bolt right there that you see. What the crap, right? So what we do here is we kind of get that triangle bolt and make it into a bolt that fits forcefully, so that that socket will stay there for a while. It doesn't need to go anywhere. And the only reason that's there is whether, depending on the injection quality, say you want more fuel going in, you scoot this the head of this injector pump forward this way or to the right. If you want less injector pressure, you move it a little bit this way, and all you do is loosen that bolt there where the socket's at. That star drive there was a T45, I think. That one on the bottom and that one on the bottom, just ever so slightly loosen it, and then just either tap this side right here of that nut, or you tap the end over here just a little bit, and that's how you adjust the pressure on these little 1.9 liters. All right, thanks guys. I'll have to show you a picture when I'm working on the tranny. All right, have a good one.